This video demonstrates how to ship an order via USPS. To follow along with this video demo, you must have connected e-commerce platforms and Stamps, which is the largest agent of USPS. Detailed help article on authorization will be available on the video description page. Meanwhile, you also need to set up the warehouse address and adjust inventory in the dashboard. Click on the Setting button, find the Warehouse section. Click on Create and fill in the information. Click on the Inventory section, manually adjust or import inventory. If you turn off Quick Ship in Order Setting, then there are 4 tabs in Order Pending status. The listing in the unmapped represents the result matched SKU. Click on the red font Unmapped and enter the product name or SKU to match manually. Or you can click on Refresh Mapping in the upper right corner for automatic update. If there is still no corresponding SKU, you'll need to add them according to 3 different types: single product, variants, and combination in the inventory. Out of stock means the product is no longer in stock. You can click Refresh Stock to check whether the quantity is sufficient. If not, we need to adjust the quantity according to the existing stock. Copy SKU code, click Inventory, search for SKU, check whether there is any record in the inventory. If there is a record in the inventory and it shows 0, you need to manually click Adjust Inventory for adding. In addition, you can also import template to update stock quantity quickly. Return to the Out of Stock screen and click Refresh Stock button to match the stock. In the Address Invalid tab, 4Seller will automatically proofread the order address information for you. If there is any invalid order customer information, the red words will automatically prompt you. Just move your mouse to the customer information, you can edit and save it. Another tab will show you the orders that have been placed but not yet paid for by the customer. If Quick Ship is turned on in the order setting, then there will be only 2 tabs including Address Invalid and Unpaid orders in the Order Pending status. Orders that don't have above a problem will go directly to the To Ship status. In the To Ship status, there are 3 methods to update the size and weight, logistics and shipping address, or warehouse information. You can click Batch Modify in the action bar. Note that if Quick Ship is turned on, you need to update the shipping address information. Otherwise, the warehouse information should be upgraded. Or you can click on the list page to add quickly. Or you can directly select them in the Buy Label page. So, how to buy labels? Click Buy Label to confirm the shipping warehouse address, size, and weight information has been automatically obtained from the listing. Select the logistics, carrier, and service. Finally, click Buy Label. At the same time, you will find a checkbox beside each individual product row. When ticked, the product is selected. Click Buy Label on the action bar to buy labels in bulk. In the action column of the list, you can print packing slip, pick list, and then notes. In the action bar, you can also do them in bulk. It's to be noted that you can customize the print template. There are 2 formats for you to choose. One is to collate labels and packing slips, another is printing labels and packing slips separately. You can also customize to add or delete product name, shop SKU, variant value, and price information to be attached to the shipping label. The following are examples of different printing formats of shipping labels and packing slips. After buying the shipping label, the order will enter into the In Process status. Go to In Process tab. The Obtaining column covers orders which are in the process of buying shipping labels. Normal means orders that buy shipping labels successfully. On the contrary, Failed means orders that buy shipping labels unsuccessfully. In the Normal column, check the order you want to ship. You can print labels, packing slips, and pick lists by clicking button in the action bar or action column of the list. These 3 different labels could be marked respectively. After marking, the printer icon will turn blue. Orders in field can be corrected according to the red font to check the reasons for the failure of printing shipping labels. Click Buy Label. You only need to modify the label information according to the prompts to reprint it. When the above operation is completed, click the Ship Order button on the action column of the list or action bar. Orders will flow to the shipped status individually or in bulk. Tracking number will be automatically sent back to the e-commerce platform corresponding to the order. That concludes our introduction how to ship orders via USPS. There are more details and examples available within our online help center. Thanks for watching.